Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word atrocious. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is atrocious. Let's break it down. First, we have which is a quick, unstressed sound like the A in sofa. Next is troh, which rhymes with go and carries the main stress. Finally, shus, which sounds like shush but with a softer ending. Now let's put it all together. Atrocious. Try repeating after me. Atrocious. Now a little faster. Atrocious. And at full speed. Atrocious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Atrocious means something that is extremely bad, horrifying, or unpleasant, often used to describe actions, conditions, or behavior. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce atrocious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.